I have seen this a lot of time that we just randomly pick our mobile due to a ting in that due to a ting sound and start using it. I have observed this a lot of time, like this happened with me too. A lot of time I just open my mobile phone for X purpose and start doing ABC things. That's the problem that's happened with us. And yeah, before watching that movie I know why it happens, but now after watching not movie, that documentary, which is the social media dilemma, I've got to learn a lot of things, and I just want to share this because I want to be a good communicator. I want to explain things in more well manner. So practice is important, and I want to improve my English communication, English speaking. Yeah. So if I continue, that documentary was so amazing, and I've learned a lot of things. Like I was talking about the ting sound, and we start using our mobile phone, or maybe when we open our mobile phone, the purpose is different, but we uh, we end up with doing a lot of unintentional things. Why does it happen? Is it our mistake? Is there any problem from our side? The answer is not. No. The main problem isn't from our side. It's from their side. There means whom? There means the social media side, the app side. You know, for you specifically, like let's say for me, like I am using my Instagram. So for me, a single guy, there is thousands of intelligent, psychology hacking people working to get my attention. Then to get rid from that and to be safe from that trap becomes so hard, becomes so tough, and that's why we face these problems. In that documentary, it wonderfully explained it wonderfully explained how that social media thing. Okay. So that documentary, in that documentary there are a lot of you know different uh, professionals who share their thoughts about social media, and they are not average professionals, but those who created these social media, mail, WhatsApp, and all these things, and they share how it's so harmful. Like hmm uh, okay, I will relate it later to this thing. um hmm, like uploading a picture on social media, okay, it's not bad thing. It's okay, generally okay. If you want, then upload. But this kind of thing, like uploading picture on social media, that thing okay. But most of us got catched into the trap of how people think about us, how much people liking it, what they are thinking when they are watching at our picture. you know uh, it happened with a lot of people who are around me. Like they used to apply filter when they are taking photo, when they are making videos. But this natural thing, like okay, uh, looking good to yourself at least, is so proudful thing and is so positive thing. We feel positive, we feel energetic, we feel that we are special. Like currently I'm making this video, I'm looking good. It's a good, you know it's it's good lighting, so I'm looking good, so it make us feel better. So doing thing for feeling yourself better, it's is okay. But when you are uploading a social media post, okay, where I was that they used to apply different filters, they don't accept their original face. It's okay looking good, it's okay, but at least don't apply any filter and just shoot your video or shoot your photos in normal filter. I think that also helps. uh, why we have to use those filters and all those things. And then come next thing, which is when we upload any photo. Okay. Yeah, there was a guy in that documentary. He's from Twitter, I think. So he was telling that these social media apps are designed in such a way that you spend as much as time on that their platform. Every time you refresh, new feed will be there. So they they was arguing one thing. He was arguing one thing, that when you this tagging thing, that your friend tagged you, your friend sent you a snap. So first thing, they made the interface in such a way that we make more and more friends on social media. Those friends to whom we didn't even talk once in our life, and they are in our social media following list, or we follow them. They are in friend list of Facebook. Why is it so? Because you just be a friend, you just friend of that guy on Instagram or social media. So whenever he will going to upload anything, we'll watch it, you know. Yeah, that tagging thing, okay. So he was arguing that why this feature of tagging people is this feature of tagging people is also helps a lot these social medias to have more and more user active on their platforms. So he was arguing that while any social media, let's say Instagram, sent you a notification that your friend tagged you in a photo, okay. So why don't they, also show the photo, that in that photo, in the photo in which your friend tagged you in the notification only? No, they will not, because they want to come you on the platform and spend as much as time as you can. If I further explain, if I further share my learnings from that documentary, then uh, I'm not serious that much currently, but the next thing that I've got to know, and maybe it's normal for us, like I'm sharing this with you, but I'm feeling normal, I'm not amazed and all that stuff. They they by they I mean social media. They they also they measure everything about you, what you like, what you don't, what excites you, what make you sad, everything. They measure everything. mm, they measure everything. So yeah, they even measure that on which post specifically how much time you spending. Yeah, they also measure that thing. And a lot of time we used to think that, yeah, everything in our control only, but that's not the truth. And continuing to this topic, then I would like to talk about this thing, like the feed we have. So I also use YouTube, used to watch different content. Like currently I'm watching, I used to watch Anwar Jibabi Adam W, and there is Great Amras Puri, it's cooking channel. mm, and yeah, these things I used to watch a lot. Most of the time I used to watch these things. hmm. Yeah. Now in this response, now the thing that I've shared, so here the question mark comes: why I'm only watching these things? Have as I like these thing a lot? Is I like these, I prefer these thing most? No. I think, I have subscribed to a lot of YouTubers, and turned on notification to all that I want to watch every content of their. I just basically have to I just basically wants to get exposure of every kind of entertainment, every kind of content that different guys are making. But my YouTube doesn't work in this way. I only used to see in the feed the things that I've talked about. uh, so further, one more thing that the that problem one more problem, one more thing that not faced, I've realized, not I've realized, I've observed, which is on Instagram. I don't know, you know I know, I know. Okay, like, they are showing this thing, maybe thousands of, or maybe lakhs of guys like me. They used to show their new application, which is Thread. And you know what they used to show on Thread? There's a there is a specific section dedicated to threads in Instagram. So whenever you scroll little bit, you'll see that section. So where they maybe show that on Thread you can use these features, on Thread you can share your thoughts, but they don't used to do in that thing. They used to show, post about different beautiful girls. I don't know they even exist or not. So they used to show those posts, and in those posts they used to show that she has published his age, his where she is, and her recent incident with uh, her recent incident, like she got uh, she had a breakup recently, and now she wants to come in new relationship. So that's the triggering point. That's a very very high triggering point of individual guys like me. So we will definitely go to Thread. Not okay, I'll not go, uh, because maybe I'm little bit samajhdar, but guys go. So these kinds of unethical tactics they used to use they use for getting new customers on their platforms. Hmm. So those things I've got to understand. No. Yeah, 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 yeah. One more thing. One more thing. This is serious. I think this is so much serious problem. We are losing our self control. We can't even stay without our mobile phone for some minutes. I'm trying, but it's not happening. It's not coming from heart. Problem is there, seriously. When I was watching that documentary, I was thinking that, is it important to have posts on our Instagram account? Is it important to have an Instagram account? And I come to know, then I concluded, no. Why is it important? Like, you want to share picture now, uh, why we have to share our picture to hundreds of guys and get hundreds of likes? Why don't, if we if like in my belief, sharing picture with those who are so much close to us uh, makes sense, but sharing with everyone, it's not make sense until or unless you are an influencer. So share with okay, capture images, capture videos, make videos, make click photos of yours, because it will be a good memory when you become older and when you see back that what you did in your life. Then you have these photos, you have these photos, these videos which speak that these are the things that you did. So it's I 100% agree and support, appreciate clicking photos and making videos of yours. It makes a kind of memory. But why? That's the main. Okay, why are you doing this? You're doing for yourself, right? So do for yourself. Capture pictures, make videos, but keep those things with yourself. I don't. Okay. This is my thought, my belief. If someone likes this belief, if someone like this thinking, they can adopt it. I'm not saying that's the general truth and everyone should behave in this way, but in my belief, keep those photos with yourself, and whenever you feel bored, see those photos. And the thing that social media gives this opportunity, social media gives this facility to share these pictures with our loved ones. So what? In my belief, the loved ones, the most closest ones, which have in our life are few, maybe three or four, or maybe five, six, not more than this. So share those pictures individually with them. They will feel even more happy that he is individually sharing this picture with me. And also share those pictures with them if you intentionally feel that if they will see this picture of me, they will feel so happy. So that's the thing. Social media, and from past of some days, now what I used to think, that everyone is so much intelligent in today's world. No one needs to be get teached. If someone really will wants to get knowledge, they will ask. Until or unless, no need to teach everyone. And if we do this, then we will be seen as fool in their eyes. So that's the video. Bye.